order concerning real property taxes of Richard A. Buckholz, tax accounts numbers 1929, 1930, and 1931. Number two, LM 2026-0049, order concerning real property taxes of Cassandra C. Roach on motor vehicle tax account 90541. Number three, LM 2026-0150, order concerning of Westville Cemetery requesting tax assistance on account number 23619. Four, LM 2026-0149, order concerning real property taxes of Marquita Darden on motor vehicle tax account 820866. Number five, LM 2026-0047, order concerning real property taxes of Cheval K. Santos on motor vehicle tax account 93825, 96163, 98363, and 98377. Number six, LM 2026-0176, order concerning real property taxes of Jerome Harper Sr. on motor vehicle tax accounts 72025, 86427, 71964, 71965, 72960, 72961, and 72908. These items are on file and available for public inspection in the Office of Legislative Services, 165 Church Street, per order, Honorable Troy Streeter, Chair, attest Michael Smart, City Clerk. If you need a disability-related accommodation, please call 3 days in advance, 203-946-7651 voice, or 203-946-8582 text. Public comment testimony may also be submitted via email to public testimony newhavenct.gov before 2 p.m. on the day of the meeting. Meeting can be viewed on Board of Alders YouTube. Okay, I'd like to introduce my panel starting from the right.
Hi, Teresa Morant, order for Ward 12.
Hi, Teresa Maria Alder for Ward 12.
Mildred Melendez, Alder for Ward 13.
Alder Troy Streeter, Ward 21.
And Alder Frank Douglas, Ward 2.
Okay. Okay, I'd like to hear the testimony on the first item. Order concerning real property tax of Richard A. Buckholz tax account numbers. Please come up. Can you please state your name and address for the record?
Yes. Richard Andrew Buckholz, 108 Nealon Road in New Haven.
Okay, state your claim.
Okay, well, first of all, thanks for allowing me the opportunity to speak here. I returned from a vacation to liens on my property. And I've always, for 15 plus years, have used the Connex bill pay to pay for parcels of 108 Nealon and 245 Woodward. And if you were to research it, I don't think I've been late. And what happened was, in talking with Connex, they issued 6 checks from my account to pay parcels and some car taxes. And only 2 of them were processed with the tax office. So they were in limbo somewhere. And I was able to get my money refunded into my account. I came and personally paid the taxes. And I'm looking for the interest and late charges that accumulated due to this error.
Okay. So the total interest is 310.16?
Yes. Thank you.
Any questions from the panel?
Thank you.
Alder
Thank you,
Douglas?
Mr. Chair. So you're looking for the refund. Did you find out from the city what happened to the payments? Did they
Well,
end up getting them?
no one could definitively say what happened. It wasn't a wire transfer, there were physical checks that were produced and then sent.
Mailed?
But, I'm sorry?
They were mailed?
I believe so, through Connex. 2 of them processed, 4 of them did not. So, once I discovered that, Connex refunded me the money they had taken out in July from my account, and then I immediately went to rectify this issue. So, there was never a definitive answer as to what happened. It could have sat on the desk, they may have never got there, I don't really know.
But it ended up they were paid?
Oh, they were paid in full as soon as I found out about it.
So we got the city here. Can we get somebody up here to give us an explanation to that? Right?
Thank you. Yes.
Sir, can I ask you to sit
Sure.
back until this?
Oh, sure.
And then you can come back. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Hello.
Name and address.
Tamara Kirby, 215 Joffrey Street, Unit 4, West Haven, Connecticut, 06516.
Okay, do you have any, some information on this, actually what happened?
Yes, actually, we've been in contact with Mr. Richard Buckholz by email when we send out the lien notices, informational notices to let people know that we did not receive their taxes. That's how this began. He did contact us and he let us know that it was mailed by his credit union. However, we did not receive it. As we explained to him, we have no control over the postal service. Absolutely none. Payments do not come into our office and sit on our desk. We process payments every day, every time the mail comes. The mail comes twice a day in our office, and we process everything that we have. Again, we don't have any control over the postal service. Allegedly, his credit union did send out the payments. He showed us a letter, but by state statute, we have no authority to waive that interest. If we did, we would be waiving interest every day on people that say they mailed it out or something happened. We did also explain to him that with the postal service, and I don't know if you're aware of it, the mail does not go directly from New Haven to New Haven. It goes to Hartford and everywhere else. If we do get a payment down the road from the postal service and the taxpayer did get charged interest and that payment was an on-time payment, we will absolutely take that interest and forward it to the next bill. So all of that was explained. But again, we did not receive it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, excuse me, Ms. Kathy.
Hi, so, and I may have missed it, and I apologize about that. His accounts are now, up to date, zero.
Yes, they
He
are.
owes the city of New Haven no monies other than the, interest and late payments.
Everything's paid in full. When he made his last payment, that included the interest and the lien fee.
So he actually, it would be a reimbursement of that, or a credit.
There's no credit on the account.
If we,
If you were to abate it, yes, it would become a credit. And that credit would be forwarded to the next bill in July.
okay. Thank you.
Staff. What, so, in this case,
Right. In a case like this, what would be the, strategy?
Are you gonna wait for deliberations before y'all start deliberating?
Right.
Well, I wanted to see what Al had to say on.
Right, but that's what deliberations is for.
Oh, sorry to say.
Yeah, don't get ahead of yourself. That's
Same.
the deliberations conversation.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna call up, number 2, Cassandra C. Roach.
My excuse?
You can leave if you want, or you can
Yeah.
stay and we can
Okay.
do this.
Can I speak more? No. Okay, thank you.
All right, now, good. You want to bring it back?
Well, if you have something else to say, come on,
Oh, yeah, please.
but basically,
Thank you. Yeah, I think that, given the circumstance, and I get it, you can't just waive fees to anyone that comes in here. But if you look at my track record, I've never been late for 9 or 10 parcels of property in New Haven over all these years. And when I discovered the issue, I tried to take ownership and stop the bleeding. So I just paid all the fees with the expectation that I would get refunded.
Yeah.
So,
correct, but I feel also like the tax office say if they don't receive it, they can't, process it, and they're not responsible for what the post office don't deliver.
right,
So it's like the onus is not, it wasn't their, the school,
I get
their error either. It's a misfortune because the credit mailed it, but it never got there.
right.
So
So.
in a case like this,
Yeah.
right?
So I assume either the city would make that adjustment or the credit union, because there's no way to definitively say. So I appreciate your testimony, and we'll leave it at that. So someone will contact me with the decision, or?
Yeah, she'll be contacted.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thanks for showing. Okay. Order concerning real property taxes of Cassandra C. Roach on motor vehicle tax account 9051. For the second time, order concerning real property taxes, Cassandra C. Roach. Third, order concerning real property taxes, Cassandra C. Roach on motor vehicle tax. Okay, here. Okay. On to number 3, order concerning Westfield Cemetery. Please come up and state your claim.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Yes, please state your name and address for the record.
My name is Paul A. Lincoln, 424 Elm Street, New Haven.
Okay,
And I represent the Westfield Cemetery as president of the board of directors of the cemetery.
okay, can you state your claim?
Sure. So it is my responsibility to file the tax exempt application every 4 years. I didn't do that. I moved my office and wasn't getting notices from the city. No excuse. I should have contacted the city that I had moved, and here I am. So I got a bill for, or a notice of intent to lien back in February. And it had on this Westfield Cemetery, 701 Bailey Avenue, which is not our address. So I thought this was a mistake. I didn't add that right away. That's the address for Michigan Israel Cemetery next door.
Okay,
So I called them and he said, no, they filed their exempt application recently and they don't owe any taxes. I just assumed that since it said 701 Whaley and they have a building on that property, I thought, okay, maybe they owe taxes for whatever reason. Anyway, I called the city. She should know it's your property that got liened. And so I'm here pleading forgiveness, pleading stupidity, and as I did file my exempt application back in February with the city, so I'm up to date. But I'm looking for the relief of this, obviously cemetery don't pay taxes, but so I'm here claiming stupidity.
okay, let me see, any questions from the panel? All of Douglas?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So you're looking for relief of the entire bill?
Yeah, I don't, again, how the city came up with a tax bill of $34,379 on the cemetery. that doesn't pay taxes, but I didn't file the form, the application.
And, so you failed to file your tax exempt status.
Correct.
Is there a reason why you failed to do that?
Just, I didn't get the mail, it wasn't in my head to do it. I moved my office from 493 Whitney to 424 Elm, and
How long have you been involved with this? How long have you been
20
doing this?
years.
Paying taxes, being exempt?
Yeah. Oh, exempt since the cemetery was formed back in the turn of the century. We're a
No other
501c.
Okay. Alderman Town?
Oh, Melendez.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Look at the other. Alderman Melendez?
Thank you. Hello.
Right.
Thank you for coming. You referenced a letter that you received with an incorrect address. May we see that letter?
Here's the letter. And the reason I think I finally got it at my new address is because the mailman knows where I moved. And somehow he got it to me. And that's when I acted on it.
What is the address of the cemetery?
There's no street address.
No,
It's on the
it says-
corner of Whaley and Osborne.
Okay. So 701 Whaley is someone else's property?
This is the next door cemetery, Michigan Israel.
Oh, different cemetery.
That might be, that probably isn't the issue. The issue is I failed to file the exemption.
File the exemption. So you would have gotten one anyways.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you for your honesty. Sure. Chair, Mr. Chair.
Excuse me? Alderman Moran?
Thank you, Chair. So the letter that I just saw, well, this is saying total due, was it 164,000? Am I correct reading that?
Total two, yes.
So 164,000, so where's the 34,000?
We're,
We're on item 3.
right under what column?
Well, the letter that you just had in your
This
hand,
column.
the 34,000.
Mr. Hayden?
Just for clarification, I'm not sure what the date of the letter is.
Okay.
What you see in front of you, which is the current amount on the tax computer system.
Oh.
So if you got the letter in, say, January, February,
Okay.
it doesn't show everything that is accumulated, especially the interest
Oh, okay.
beyond that.
Yes, I'm saying 164,000.
$789.
15 cents. So, all right, I just wanted some clarification of what's you fighting here.
Yes. Alderman Melendez?
That just, she just started up okay. I understand that the interest, probably grew, right, because interest grows like by the minute. So that's where the $45,417. Can you tell me what the $164,789,000 is for on the very last column?
That's a combination of the tax fee and interest. Basically, the tax and the interest.
But if there was, not the interest, but the tax fees, if he filed his tax exempt form, his taxes are now 0.
If he had filed his M3 on time, he would not have been taxed for those years.
Oh, it's all these years,
Correct.
4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
So it wasn't just,
Just 1 year.
it wasn't 1 year I forgot to file the tax
It's a,
exempt form.
I'm sorry.
Right. Because in fiscal year 2020, they were still tax exempt, therefore there was no bill.
Mhm.
And
Filed on the M1, the M3 on time, therefore he was taxed on 21, 22, 23, 24. And I believe that he has since filed his paperwork and the assessor said that it was accepted and they will not be taxed again.
But they have already, the tax stands where it stands at 164,000.
Excuse me?
What's owed is 164.
Yes.
That's not something that, like, once I file my tax exemption, it doesn't go in arrears or it doesn't go.
It's up to the board whether they want to forgive it.
Okay, so, no, I meant it's not something automatic by the tax
No.
office. No, so as it
The
stands,
tax office is notified by the assessor that it's now taxable, they will issue the bill.
and tonight we are voting on the interest or on the complete, all of it.
Well, it's whatever you want. Normally past the practice has been if you,
Pay the
a
amount.
lot of them have failed to file the M3 and the 4 because it has been accepted for the preceding year and the assessor's office cannot go back. That's why it comes before the board.
So are you aware of the amounts that told, the 164,000?
I never got that, no.
Okay, Alderman Melendez?
Sorry. I'm sorry, I just want to be clear. So you are here in front of us tonight, asking for the interest to be,
Total forgiveness.
total forgiveness, and $164,789.
So the tax exempt application is filed every 4 years, so I missed that one.
Oh, so it's filed
Every 4
quarterly.
years.
Not quarterly.
Quadrennial.
It's for quarterly.
And I missed that.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Any further questions?
And these, if I may, this says 493 Whaley Avenue. That's not right either.
Sir, for the record, what is the correct mailing address?
The correct mailing address now should be 424 Elm Street, which is my office.
And sir, can you give me the correct mailing address at the time of these bills? Where were your bills getting mailed that you would receive them?
Historically, we've been at 493 Whitney Avenue. I moved. and-
Whitney, okay.
Whitney. And I failed to notify the city that I moved to be able to get the notice for the M1.
Thank you very much.
Okay, any further questions?
No further questions.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks very much. Appreciate your time.
Okay, number 4, order concerning real property taxes on Marquita Darden. Mr. Hayden?
After the agenda was published, I found out from the tax collector that because of the fact that it's so old, that it has been put into the uncollectible, and that it basically it's not going to be done, so it's been requested that you please withdraw.
Okay, we took the floor. Alderman Melendez?
What is the timeframe for the uncollectibles?
I believe it's 17 years,
15.
15.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, now on to number 5. Order concerning real property taxes of Saval K. Santos. Please come up, state your claim. Please give your name and address for the record.
Good evening. My name is Chanel Santos, and I live at 252 Fairmont Avenue, New Haven, Connecticut.
Okay, please state your claim.
So I believe the taxes are from 2021 current. I had a silver Volkswagen Jetta that I got into a car accident and totaled. And from February 2021, since February 2021, I have not had the car. I did in 2022 forget to submit the license plates. And then I eventually did, but I no longer have the car or the plates.
Okay, Alderman Melendez?
Good evening, thank you for coming. So, you had your car accident when?
February 2021. Sorry, 2022. I have the pictures.
2021, 2022.
2022. That's when I got the scar.
I'm sorry to hear that, and I'm glad you're well.
Thank you.
So, February of 2021, 22.
Just confirm.
Well, wouldn't you have, so the car was totaled, correct?
Correct.
Wouldn't you have a letter from your insurance company stating that either they paid you out for the car, or number two, if you weren't covered for them to pay for the car, you didn't get paid for the car, there was a time from your insurance company that you were not gonna be covered anymore?
So I had bought the car outright. Also, I don't remember what insurance company I had at the time. And then, what was your other question?
So if you didn't have a check, you should have gotten something from your insurance company.
Nope, I didn't get anything. I did have proof from the tow company, and I was looking for that, but I came unprepared, and I also was asking the New Haven Police Department for a report so I could bring that, but that didn't come in time.
So, I mean, is it something that you would like to have this matter tabled until you have the proper evidence so that this board can make a decision based upon the evidence that you give to us? And I'm going to defer over to staff or maybe Director Lucas or to the chair. In deliberations, okay. But if that's something that can happen.
You can do whatever you want.
Okay, great. Because I think that in order for us to give you a fair chance, you should have your documentation ready. A car accident is something that's very easy to prove if the police were involved. You obviously suffered damages, personal injury. So even if you had an attorney or anything that you had, dig up the file and bring your evidence with you.
Okay.
Okay?
And for the record, it was February 6, 2022.
Okay. 6, 2,
Yes.
Okay, so that'll be the recommendation, and you get the, from the tow company or from the insurance company stating the exact date, and then, make the appointment with Mr. Hayden and come back and present it, and then we can look at this further.
Okay.
Mr. Hayden?
Next meeting is 28th of next month.
Okay, so we'll be able to have it by then.
Yes.
Let me see.
No, 28th of June.
Right, June 28th.
June 28th.
That's a Sunday.
Sunday.
Is it?
Yes.
It's the fourth Tuesday.
The 30th, June 30th.
Let me look at my
Not that,
phone.
no, not that day. You said it's a Sunday.
23.
23rd.
So it'll be June 23rd? Huh?
23rd.
June 23rd.
Okay. I would notify her ahead of time.
Okay. Okay, good.
Thank you.
All right, get the evidence.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for coming.
Be safe.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You as well.
Okay, what we have now, we have number 6, order concerning real property tax of Jerome Harper Senior. Order concerning real property tax of Jerome Harper Senior. Order concerning real property tax of Jerome Harper Senior. He's not in. That was the last one on the menu. Okay. I will now entertain a motion to close the public portion of the meeting.
So move.
Second.
Second, okay. Say has been moved second. Okay, the public portion of the meeting. All in favor?
Aye.
Okay, any opposed? Okay, now let's have, discussion. Okay. First one, Mr. Nealon, on 108 Nealon Road.
Needham Road, yeah.
Yeah, Nealon Road.
Can we discuss?
Yeah,
I need to make a motion to discuss.
make a motion to discuss on item one?
Motion to discuss?
Yes.
Give a second.
Second. Okay.
Okay. Item number one, the real estate tax for Mr. Richard Buckles. I think it's just discretionary upon us to vote on this item. He realizes that, with COVID and stuff, the mail has just not been the same. And we all have different schedules, Flex. I'm not sure how the tax office, and that was a question, my bad, I did not ask. But, how is the office staffed on a daily basis? So I can see, and he paid it in good faith. It's not like he hasn't paid anything and he's coming in front of us with an unpaid tax bill at the time, or even the unpaid late fees and interest. Everything was paid up front in good faith, and he's only requesting, a refund. And we wouldn't be refunding, from what the tax office indicated, it would be credited to the next tax bill.
Okay, any further discussion?
No, I agree with my colleague, especially him, because, he paid it.
Right.
So we shouldn't
I
forget it.
agree, because I feel like this is what we're trying to do. Like, he's tracking.
Well, credited, right?
Very credible. Have never been late, 15 something years.
Right.
So it's just something that probably happened in the mail.
Okay. Yeah, I'm in agreement with that also, because as he stated, he's never been, late with it, and it's not like he was consistently late in not paying his taxes, so. Yeah, I make a motion that, we, credit, she said it would be credited towards his, next account, next bill.
Second.
Okay, first and second. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Any extensions? Okay, the ayes have it. Okay, on that one. Okay, what's the next one? The cemetery.
Okay, so the cemetery.
We need a motion.
Need a motion and a second.
A motion on the second?
Somebody needs to move
Second.
number two.
Okay,
Okay, so move to second.
okay, move to second, now we have, discussion.
On the cemetery part, it's, the way that it's, first of all, we sent the bill to the wrong address. Number one, it's not even like
Right.
293 Whaley Avenue. It's a whole different, like Whaley and Whitney Avenue, or like, you
Right.
can't even have the neighbor bring it to you, right?
Right.
That's number one. Number two, it's something that's listed as individual, but it's filed every 4 years.
Right.
So at first glance, you think they didn't file it for 4 years, but it really was a slip. He also and we know that he moved the offices, during that time as well. So I feel that we should credit, the account. We would not have been getting that money. Cemeteries are not taxed.
All right, Mr. Hayden?
You don't credit a cemetery bill because he.
Oh, no, we wipe it, yes, you're right. Thank
He
you for the
wouldn't have it.
correction. He wouldn't have
He wouldn't
it.
have
So
it.
I guess we would zero out, delete the amount, forgive the tax.
Taxes, interest, and fees.
Okay, because once the proper paperwork is filed, it goes away, correct?
It has been filed and has been approved for
The next year,
Yeah.
not
Yes,
this.
correct.
26 grand this year.
Okay. Okay,
We put that in motion.
I
okay,
have to agree with my colleague as well. The wrong address is, that's not their fault. That was sent to the wrong address, not even close.
any other discussion? Okay, I make a motion that we, forget it?
I'll make a motion that we forgive the interest and charges, the written charges.
Second. Any discussion?
Second.
Second, he seconded.
I second. Right, okay,
All in favor?
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Any extensions? Okay, the ayes have it. Okay, what's going on now? Oh yeah, so, on number 5, she's gonna come back.
4.
No, number 4, oh yeah, we,
Need to withdraw.
yeah, leave to withdraw and because it's uncollectible.
It's gone.
Right, it's gone, okay. So no need for discussion on that, correct?
You still have to
Vote on.
Make a motion,
make a motion.
yeah, make a motion that we, that it's gone, so we, leave to withdraw on it.
Second.
Okay, been moved in second. Okay. So now we're on
No,
to,
all in favor.
all in favor, sorry.
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? Okay, so, ayes have it. Okay, now we're on to number 5, where, I make a motion that, she's gonna come back. Yeah, so we're gonna pass over till she come back at the next date.
Second.
Okay.
You don't need to vote on that, you just don't take.
Oh, is it just pass over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, pass over. Okay, and
No action.
so there's no action, no action taken on that one there. Okay, so I think that was it, right? Number 6,
You didn't show up.
yeah, no show, so all we do is pass over this.
Which one?
Number 6, Harper, Jerome Harper, senior.
Just pass over.
Yeah, we pass, make a motion to pass over.
Pass over.
I'll send him a letter informing him of the next meeting that if he doesn't show up.
All right, thank you. Okay,
Did we do the Roach one? Did we do the Cassandra Roach one? Did we do Cassandra Roach?
Number 2. Number 2.
oh, we didn't do number 2?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This was the second time, I don't
She
know.
didn't show up though.
She didn't
Yeah,
show up.
she didn't show.
Go ahead and just give it to withdraw.
Okay, I make a motion for leave to withdraw on number 2.
Second.
Move in
You
second.
don't have to- you don't have to vote on it. Mhm.
Okay, so,
All in favor?
all in favor?
All right.
Okay, any extensions?
Any opposed?
Any opposed? Okay, the ayes have it. Okay, now, I think a motion to adjourn is in order.
So move.
Second.
Okay.
You gotta vote on it, sir.
Oh,
On.
all in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? Okay.
3 minutes to spare. Yeah, we take care of it.
Okay. Yeah, great. I got to
That's missing too. Oh, staying.
Yeah, one time, right. They try to put it 4 times. Tell you. Cause you go back and you like.
Yeah.
I try not, and I'm sorry.